special edition of Jab We Met. We are currently at Jamnagar. This is the Reliance Petrochemicals refinery. And with me is Anant Ambani. And that big guy is part of a project that Anant Ambani is trying to set up, where they're rescuing all these animals who are in distress at circuses, at different places, and trying to give them a new life. Anant Ambani, welcome to Jab We Met.
So Rahul, welcome. That's Gauri.
Hi Gauri.
She's one of our elephants we rescued. She's my first elephant we rescued.
First elephant
in 2008. She was 12 when we rescued her.
Okay.
From Rajasthan. She was walking in the streets begging for food with a Mahawat, and that's her Mahawat, Jagdish.
Namaste Jagdish.
He also came 20 years back.
Wow.
To this
So
facility.
you call the elephant
years.
and the elephant comes out?
Yes, I've learned the Mahoti language with the elephants.
What are you trying to do, Anand? What are you trying to achieve here?
So the Elephant Rescue Center is a center which...
This looks like some kind of an elephant jacuzzi.
This is the first in the world. We designed it in-house.
Hydrotherapy pond.
It's a hydrotherapy pond. We have 260 high pressure jets.
Okay.
And it's a heated pool. Aja, Agat. They're currently too busy in their jacuzzi, so they don't want to come. They have protected barriers, but she is Rangmola. You can. Rangmola, Aja.
Do they ever attack?
Animals are animals. We try, but anything can happen.
Have you ever been attacked by one of these guys?
Not been attacked, but yes, while treating them, we have faced some situations.
Does that sometimes scare you that ultimately they are wild and...
So these are all wild animals, so we respect them. As you know, they have protected barriers, but she is Rangmola. Yes. She currently is wanting to go back to the jacuzzi, so she's leaving all the food.
Oh. Like, let me do my thing in the
Yes.
water. Abhi apne ko disturb nahi karna.
Yeah.
I find it fascinating that you know the Mahut language.
As a kid, I was fascinated with the Mahoti language. So I learned the Mahoti language back in 2008.
तो थोड़ा बोल के सुनाइए Mahoti language.
So, अगर आगे जाना है तो अगत बोलना है.
अगत.
पीछे अगत.
Okay. अगत.
पीछू जाना है तो पिछू बोलना है.
पीछू.
और हाथी को अगर खड़ा रखना है तो धात बोलना है.
धात.
अगर हाथी को आपको भगाना है तो डेर अगट बोलना है. अलग-अलग. ये सब नहीं होगा. ये मुल्तानी मिट्टी जो हम जैसे हमारा स्पा ट्रीटमेंट है, तो हफ्ते में 2 बार इनको मुल्तानी मिट्टी दिया जाता है.
इनका हाथी का स्पा चल रहा है.
हाथी का स्पा चल रहा है अभी.
अरे बताओ, एक जगह हाथी का जकूजी चलता है, दूसरी जगह हाथी का स्पा चल रहा है. This is to kind of calm them.
Because their skin is very rough. So in the wild also they find mud and sand of sand baths. So we're just mimicking the wild.
मुल्तानी मिट्टी कहाँ से लाते हैं आप यहाँ पे?
पंजाब. और ये जो आपको रबर मैट दिख रहा है हर एक एंक्लोजर में, ये इसीलिए है क्योंकि हाथी सीमेंट पर नहीं रहते जंगल में. तो हमने रबर मैट इसीलिए लगाया, जब वो हाथी सोता है तो उसका पैर को चोट नहीं पहुंचे. जो उनका चल रहा है वो हाथी को डर्माइटिस है.
डर्माइटिस क्या होता है?
एक स्किन का बीमारी है. हम यहाँ आयुर्वेद का एक छोटा सा पाठशाला खोला है, जहाँ हमारे पास 4 से 5 आयुर्वेदिक स्पेशलिस्ट है, जो सिर्फ हाथी के लिए आयुर्वेद का अलग प्रकार के जड़ी बूटियां से हम इनका जो सुबह से शाम इनका अलग मलम लगाते हैं. डेमो एक्सरे मशीन से ये हाथी को दिखाया जा रहा है कि डरना नहीं है, तो इसको यूज टू किया जा रहा है. तो जब हमें एक्सरे करने का जरूरत होगा तो हाथी डरेगा.
तो आप तो फिर जानवरों पे काफी पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं.
ये पैसे की बात है नहीं, ये सेवा की बात है. और ये बहुत कम लोगों को ये मौका मिलता है. जैसे आपको पता है हम एक ट्रस्ट है, तो हमें बहुत सारे लोग फंड करते हैं. सेवा करने में हम कोई पिछाई नहीं रखते, हम जितना हो सके उतना सेवा करते हैं.
We've just reached the elephant hospital.
जी.
I'm told it's one of the world's biggest elephant hospitals.
जी, it's the world's largest elephant hospital plus the world's most modern elephant hospital.
Okay, come let's go take a look.
That's our elephant hospital. It's spread over 65,000 square feet. That's our elephant restraining device.
What does that mean?
So this whole device was imported from the US. It's the first device in India. If there's an elephant who's not tamed, we can do the entire treatment without harming either the elephant or the human. This is acupuncture, which is currently happening. In a day, 10 से 12 हाथी का यहाँ होता है. We have 3 of the acupressure sets. And result भी अच्छा है यार.
What is hyperbaric oxygen therapy?
So here we do oxygen therapy for all our elephants with either skin damage. So we specially created this oxygen therapy. I think this is the first in the world for elephants, which we created here, help heal. My vet here can explain more on this.
Doctor.
Hello. So this is Lilavati. She is a burn victim. She had extensive burns, and when she arrived to this facility, she was in a very, very terrible condition. We cannot imagine the state in which she had arrived, and this is just one of the very effective treatments that she is receiving currently.
आप इनके father है. He is one of the Padma Shri.
How are you, Dr. Sharma?
I'm very good.
Yes.
Elephant Man of Asia.
Elephant Man of Asia.
बताइए कि ये कैसे
That title was given to me by Honorable Governor of Assam.
तो आप तो आसाम में थे ना पहले?
असम,
तो
अभी भी हूँ।
यहाँ
आसामीज हैं, अभी हमारे पास आ गए. यहाँ कैसे आ गया?
नहीं, कंसल्टेंट हूँ मैं, आते रहता हूँ जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है. अभी इतना बड़ा इवेंट है. For the first time, Vantara is coming to the public, no?
So doctor knows that we go all across the country and we help elephants because it's not possible to get all the elephants to a facility.
So your doctors go there.
And doctors trained. We have more than 30 vets. So here you can see it's a specially designed elephant ambulance with a crane installed because a lot of elephants which are rescued, they can't even walk. So we need to lift them up with a crane and put them in the elephant ambulance. We have more than 20 elephant ambulances. That there's an elephant tilter. So if there's any elephant which can't walk and which we need to tilt for medicines or which we need to tilt for treatment.
So how do you
that
tilt it?
So it's automated. That's the machine. So it tilts.